In today's video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall uTorrent web in 2025. Even it is not showing in apps and programs list. To uninstall that, open the Chrome and search Revo Uninstaller. Select the official site. Go to Downloads tab. You can able to see free version. Select the free download option. And after the download done, click on it. Select the yes option and select the OK option. Accept the agreement and select next install finish option. And after all this done, in this list I try to find the uTorrent web, but it's not there. uTorrent classic only available. Go to tools and go to auto run manager. In here just scroll down and you can able to see uTorrent web. Just right click and select remove selected and select the yes option. And now the uTorrent web has been removed from the startup program. Now you need to go to search menu and type uTorrent web. Just right click and select open file location. Again right click and select open file location. Now just go back to roaming. Right click on the uTorrent web and select delete option. Just close off here and search uTorrent web. As you can see, just tap on the uTorrent web, select the yes option. We have completely uninstalled the uTorrent web. Now it's not available. As you can see, I try to open, it's completely removed, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.